Extremely excited today here at the New Hanover County ABC to award 8 nonprofits in our community $725,000. It is a total team effort. Every member of our organization can feel a sense of pride today as we have embarked upon a journey to support local nonprofits in executing their mission of elevating our community. This process has now completed its 4th year, and we have been able to put out into our community over $1.8 million. We are proud to use our platform in the community to make our community a better place to live.
My name is Leanna Stoker. I am the Executive Director and co-founder of First Fruit Ministries. So the funding from the New Hanover County ABC Board will support our street outreach programs. What does that mean? We will use the funding to support the transportation and staffing costs and the overhead costs involved in going out and doing the work. It's not about the food. It's not about the meal we bring. It is breaking bread with people in their own space, even if their own space is a tent in the woods, even if their own space is the front porch of a drug house. Wherever they are, we want to go and build relationship. This support will serve about 750 people who are experiencing homelessness or human trafficking. That is an absolutely outrageous number. It's an epidemic that I don't think a lot of people see, but it's right here. It's right with our neighbors and down the street, and we just can't ignore it.
I'm Megan Weber-Yusefi, and I'm the Director of Development for the Healing Place of New Hanover County. So the ABC Board of New Hanover County granted the Healing Place of New Hanover County $100,000 to do a longitudinal study to figure out exactly how our program is affecting the folks that are coming through. So right now we are super reliant on data that we have from the Healing Place of Louisville, which is our parent organization, but we really needed local, homegrown evidence to prove that what we are doing under the roof at the Healing Place in New Hanover County is working. Addiction it's a super selfish disease. People are just completely focused on themselves, and they create tornadoes around them in their families, in their lives, in their relationships, and we see those folks work to build those relationships and put them back together. They're able to connect with their children, their family, their parents. They're able to, under our roof, go through the 12 steps and give back to their community. And it's a beautiful process to watch.
I am Debbie Leggett. I am the Chief Executive Director of the TIDES program. So we are so thankful for the New Hanover County ABC Board for continuing to support our mission at TIDES. They support our Restoration and Resilience training program for women. This is a huge training program that encompasses everything from soft skills like teaching them how to handle conflict resolution, make good decisions, have healthy boundaries, have healthy relationships, all the way to financial management classes, computer and technology classes, as well as parenting classes. What happens to them while they're there is they completely change. They completely blossom into a woman who is empowered, who is stronger, and we're watching them thrive out there and be a really wonderful part of our society.
My name is Dawn Fair, and I'm Executive Director at A Safe Place. The grant from the ABC Board allows us to give them that literally the safe place that they need to have that safe housing and to provide the structure that they need. You know, they're not ready for independent living, so they do need a more structured program. I think what I'm the proudest about and what I feel like we're making the most difference is recognizing what trauma does to an individual and how that impacts their trajectory, how that impacts how they view themselves. And I think one of the things I'm the most proud of is our empowerment feature and getting them to understand they are worthy of a better life, because they do come to us not feeling that way.
My name is Amy Feith, and I am the Executive Director of Carousel Child Advocacy Center for New Hanover, Pender, and Brunswick counties. our services will be working with the ABC grant to make sure that kids that are getting those evidence-based treatment services can really kind of gauge and make sure that when those things are happening in their household, that we kind of are keeping a temperature on that and ensure that if the child is doing that hard work of healing, but their grown-up also has some risk, or there is risk of the grown-ups in the household to use alcohol or other drugs or prescription medications to excess or excessive use, that we're also connecting them with the right kinds of services within the community in order to ensure that the entire family unit has the best chance of success. And so this grant allows for us to expand our capacity by having additional therapists that are going to allow for us to see more children.
My name is Samuel Westbrook Hicks IV. I work with the Boys and Girls Club of Southeastern North Carolina, and my role is the Teen Services Coordinator for New Hanover County. This grant would fund our Smart Moves program. It gives kids the opportunity to learn basic things to make the right choices in life and to steer clear of things that may affect them in life. The most rewarding part is being a pillar in that life. Again, we don't want them just to have a life, but to build a life that they can be proud of. And you know, my why is seeing, well, the end is seeing them fulfill those dreams, fulfill those aspirations that they have in life. And I always let them know that, yeah, you're gonna have some stumbling blocks, but as long as you keep going, you'll reach it. You know, so many times in our life, we always look at the whole staircase and we miss steps. But when you stop looking at the whole staircase and go one step at a time, it makes the road that much easier.
My name is Ryan Estes. I'm with Coastal Horizons Center, and I'm our Chief Operating Officer. Coastal Horizons is a nonprofit. We provide a continuum of professional services. It includes integrated healthcare, justice services, and child welfare. The New Hanover County ABC funding is simply revolutionary for Coastal Horizons Center. What this program is doing is a continuum of services that we've branded as the Healthy Families program. And Healthy Families provides parenting classes, it provides retailer merchandisers to help with ID checks and understanding the importance of proper IDing, as well as providing treatment for those with a proclivity to substance misuse because of their family histories, trauma histories, or other circumstances.
My name is Frankie Roberts. I am the Executive Director of Leading into New Communities Incorporated. The New Hanover County ABC Board has been so gracious over the last several years to provide us a grant that funds our Link Anatomy. Link Anatomy provides people coming out of prison with the same type of training ground specific to community health worker training and peer support training. As we do this work, we have recognized that one organization cannot heal the community, that it takes all organizations working towards a common goal to heal the community and to heal people and to heal ourselves.